Once upon a time in the southeastern part of the country, there lived a man. A young man who was believed to be the cutest of all. A young man who was born with silver spoon in his mouth. Celebrated almost every day of his life. A young man from one of the wealthiest family in the country. This young man has well lived and traveled virtually all the countries in the world, having everything he ever wanted to his beck and call. But then, one thing was missing. His heart still felt empty. A very lonely one. Having searched all over the world for that one who would truly occupy the lonely heart. That woman who would truly, from her soul, not because of his societal class, nor because of his wealth she sees, but because of the person whom she sees when she looks through his heart. That woman who would not place the fame and the wealth as the basis of attraction. That woman who would prove beyond every reasonable doubt that she would love him even without nothing in his possession. That woman who would be supportive as a partner. That woman, in quote, seemed not forthcoming. All that ever came around were either there for the fame or the wealth, with their fake lifestyles. This young man got tired of searching. He got tired of their fake lives and became confused. The young man remained single, lived a sad and lonely life, and afterwards died an unhappy man. A very bad one, isn't it? Sit with me, my dear friend.
Thank you very much. It's an honorable thing sitting with you here for a chat.
So tell me, do you think this young man in question would have done anything, or rather employed a different strategy to secure this happiness of his soul which he had sought all his life, as well as save himself from this situation? Do you also think this young man was a normal human, making happiness of his soul a top priority?
Thank you once again. It's an honorable thing sitting here for a chat. I need no soothsayer to tell me that the young man in question is Dr. Harry, who's sitting with me here. Yes, you know, I grew up with my grandfather in the village who always tell me that happiness of the soul is important to every human. Show me that man who is happy with it, and I will tell you that man who will live longer than his peers. Show me that man who is happy, and I will tell you this man will impart others with happiness. It's an honorable thing for someone to follow his heart and do which his heart desires.
In other words, this man here is normal? I mean, this man who has been destined to lead the people, made up of both the rich and the poor, the learned and the non-learned, the healthy and the sick.
He's rubbing my face with his fingers, singing my life with his words. He's killing me softly with his song. Ay! You are gonna go sharp. Don't wasting time. Oh my god! Killing me. Oh! Oh! I'm so sorry. Killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life. Oh! My mushy, my sugar boy. Oh, I can't wait to be Mrs. Harry Williams. Oh my God. Oh. I think we look alike. You know, they say when two people become one, they start looking alike. And it's true. I look like him. Just remove the glasses and remove the beers.
You want him by all means. They crack mouth up and down. They carry yourself like safe. Yet you no get packaging, no home training. Better think twice. I want him all around. A worry since your sorrow. I don't want to cherry. You're wrong, pride will never pay you.
Akwangwa. So into him. Oh yes. Yes, darling, I am so into him. This man right here is my world. This man is my life. My future. The man who has been destined for me to spend the rest of my life with. Doctor, no. His Excellency. Dr. Harry Williams of the Williams dynasty. You know him, right? I'm sure you've heard of that name. Of course you know who he is. I mean, his pictures are littered everywhere on the internet. Even the children yet unborn, I mean the ones who are still in their mother's womb, knows who Dr. Harry is. Talk more of you. You know, seeing this man in my dreams as my husband. And you know, my mother sees us sometimes in her own dreams. Are you serious? Of course. That is why she did not hesitate to take me to Guinea. Really? The soothsayer. The one who looks into your palms and tells you what your future is. Exactly. This man right here is my dream, and then to add it all. You see those little things we take for granted? They are signs. Clear signs that we shouldn't just live like that. I ran into his sister. For real? She was on her way to Amokwe and her car broke down. Luckily for me, I was around the corner. In fact, God sent me there. You needed to see me running helter-skelter looking for a mechanic. And somehow, I got a mechanic for her who fixed her car, and then we became friends. Tell me. She gave me her number and then we got talking, you know, just like that. I can't wait. Okay? I can't wait for that beautiful day, that glorious day that God has set aside for me to meet my Prince Charming. I am so excited! I know! Oh my God! I am so happy for you.
I know.
I can't wait for this to pull through.
Of course it will pull through. Don't mind these village people. All of them. Nosy people. They never chop belefuno. They have not finished eating. It's only Akwanwa they carry on their lips. They keep wagging their tongue. Akwanwa likes to insult her elders. It's only Akwanwa that likes to touch her. Akwanwa doesn't know her left from her right. Akwanwa insults people. She doesn't know her elders. La la la. Akwanwa this, Akwanwa that. One leg, one no. My sister, look at me. Is it not that same Akwanwa they said is not a good person? God has destined a great man. Not just an ordinary man. The next governor of the state. Rich, handsome, for the same Akwanwa that likes too much trouble, that likes wahala. Look at me today, baby girl. And you know, sometimes I just sit on my own and I begin to ask myself, what have I done to deserve this? Why am I the one getting this man? And the answer just comes to my head. My beauty. Akwanwa, the most beautiful girl in this village. And you know, no, of course, it has to be my beauty. It is nothing else, it's my beauty. Hey! Hey!
Well, maybe or maybe not. No, I'm just saying it could be your beauty or not.
Meaning?
That's all I'm saying.
No, as in, I don't understand.
Akwanwa, my sister, I actually think you should start learning how to accommodate some things. Start learning how to do some things on your own. Or maybe turn a new leaf so that you can keep this your Prince Charming when he finally comes.
Hey.
You know what they say. Beauty can attract a woman to a man, but it's character that keeps him.
You are just young in your face for nothing. You have an old soul.
But
you think like old people. Look at you. You are beginning to sound like your late mother and your grandmother, which I have heard about. They speak too much wisdom. If you carry too much wisdom in your head, you might grow old overnight. You are still young. Think high. Think fly. Umasa highway. How can you be thinking like this?
Wait, let me ask you. What makes you think that having too much wisdom will make one get old overnight?
I said so. Akwanwa said so.
This is so funny.
Oh,
Akwanwa, please.
Okoma sharp. Now you are fine.
He's so handsome.
On your face. He is so handsome. Is that why you came in here? They don't admire. Oh, thank you very much. Let me do the admiration myself. In fact, next time when you're coming here, tell Mama to borrow you a wrapper. Tie your eyes. Don't. I don't joke with that. So don't look at him in that way, okay? Biko.
I was only admiring.
No, thank you. Admirer of the world, thank you. I don't want you to admire. Just happier. Let me admire alone. Oh, my sugar bun na len walking. I did not say you should look
I'm not
in
looking.
that way.
I'm not looking.
Hey, Nam.
Oh, my precious child. Oh. Oh, my humble child. Oh, my humble child. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. Just look to the sky. Make a wish. Oh. And the Lord of the universe will bring it to you as you wish. Just say a prayer, yeah, as you go into the world, and the rest of the universe will come around into you. Oh, to you. 'Cause you are a star, yeah. You are the rising sun, and you are the moon So don't be afraid, my child, my precious child. Oh, my precious child. Oh, it's gonna be alright, alright, my humble child. Oh, my humble child. Oh, my precious child. Oh, oh, my humble child. Oh, my humble child. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. Just look to the sky, make a wish, oh, and the Lord of the universe will bring it to you as you wish. Just say a prayer, yeah, as you go into the world. And the rest of the universe will come around into you. Oh, to you, 'cause you are a star. Yeah, you are the rising sun, and you are the moon. So don't be afraid, my child, my precious child. Oh, my precious child. Oh, it's gonna be alright, alright, my humble child. Oh, my humble child. It's gonna be alright. Oh, just take a step, yeah.
You need to get it on. Have you got enough? It's not hard to see. The boy is mine. Hey, I'm so confused. No, confused. I'm not confused. I know exactly what I want. Today, this is the D-Day. You better just carve well and stay well. Hey, look at this. Hi.
Akam.
Hey, Mama.
They can enter. How do you sing it?
This is song of joy.
I know.
Song of victory.
I know.
Hey, Mama! Hey! Today is the D-Day.
I know.
The day the Lord has made.
Bam.
The day He set aside for victory.
Hey.
This is a song of victory, Mama. Mama, I can't wait. I can't wait to meet my Prince Charming. I can't wait for him to set his eyes on me.
I know.
I'm trying to imagine the attraction.
Yes.
Mama, is going to be like a volcano.
A magnet.
Earthquake. Thunder, Mama.
How come no?
Mama. I won't even take chances. I don't want to wait to say, okay, maybe we'll bump into each other. Maybe we'll do this. Maybe I'll run into him somewhere. Where? Guess what I did, Mama?
Mama,
guess now. I just called his sister now. And I nicely asked her, would you mind if I come over? She said, no problem. Mama, signs. Those are signs, little signs.
Confirmation.
She just told me, no problem, you can come, you're welcome, anything you want to do is fine. Just style ask Yaya, is your brother home? Or say me yes.
I know the feeling. I'm the feeling.
Mama, you see this thing I'm doing now?
Confirmed.
I'm taking my time.
I know.
The best makeup ever come, man.
Very important.
If Harry sees me, Mama, guess the next thing he will say?
Take me home.
Ma! And mess her up sometimes.
Sorry.
Let you home. Let me take you to the altar. Be my wife.
Hey, Mama.
I want you to spend the rest of my life with me.
Mama. I'm becoming emotional.
Mama, it's not emotional. Emotion. Mama, my mushy makes me mushy makes me emotion.
Oh my. Mama, government house. Let me shock you.
Mama, shock me.
While he's there proposing to you, I will be here doing the celebration. The whole of this village can know there. It will shake. Mama, trust me.
Earthquake.
Biko. Before I forget, very important. You know he needs a special number, Biko. Come no go to the sound.
Mama, you did not. Mama, you did not give birth to a fowl.
I know.
You are a lion, and you gave birth to me.
Wham.
Mama, let me give you this paper before then. I have to sing it. I don't want to be sweating. He doesn't need to hear this song.
Because you know he's here in spirit. Oh no, very close.
Mama, physical of her spirit.
Oh.
He is here.
Everything is okay.
Physical.
Oh.
The boy is mine. You need to give it up. Have you got enough? It's not hard to see. The boy, Mama, finish it now. The boy is mine.
Hurry up, Biko.
Hey! Chimo.
Diane?
I think Brother Harry has traveled.
Excuse me? And what is this? What is the meaning of this poetic recitation? He's gone on a journey in search of who? Himself? Was Harry missing or something? Is this a Shakespeare verse?
Honestly, Mom, I'm as confused as you are right now.
Why would your brother do a thing like this at this point in time? Traveling without informing anybody. Diane, did April inform you about this?
Not at all, Mom. I'm seriously confused as you are.
You want him by all means. They crack mouth up and down. They carry yourself like safe. Yet you no get packaging, no home training. Better think twice. I want him all around. A worry since your sorrow. I don't want to share your own way. Pride will never pay you. Oh, Kwamakechi Kamje. To avoid her, I know at last. They like mother, like daughter, full of threats and violence, envy, hatred, desperate for money. Uchunu the choir. To avoid losing completely. God will not be man, no, either man be God. I don't want you cherry. Bread will never pay you. Makechi kamja wakwagia. To avoid regret. I don't want you Pride goes before downfall.
What do you think about my looks? Do you think anyone is going to recognize me on this? Do you even think we're going to succeed on this mission?
Yes, no.
Yes, no. What are you talking about?
Ordinarily, no one could. But it takes someone who can see a real diamond and recognize it and see through it.
Sounds deep. So how long before we get to where we're headed?
Still far. Obwete community is still far. But it takes someone, it will take us a little time to get there, where you need to see people who are...
Okay, what are you waiting for? Just step on the throttle. It's enough of the English. Step on it.
Okay.
I don't have time.
Okay.
You want him by all means. They crack mouth up and down. They carry yourself like safe. Yet you no get packaging, no home training. Better think twice. I want him all around. A worry since your sorrow. I don't want to share your own way. Pride will never pay you. Oh, Kwamakechi Kamje. To avoid her, I know at last. They like mother, like daughter, full of threats and
Hey! Onya gba n'ọsọ. Ayaya! Ije! N'iru ka ọlụ dị. Mgbe ọ kwesịrị power. Mgbe ọ kwesịrị power. Onya gba n'ọsọ. Ije! Onya gba n'ọsọ n'olu elu n'omume. Onya gba n'ọsọ no. Ije! Akwa nwa m onye mụrụ gị mụrụ nwa e. Onye mụrụ gị mụrụ nwa e. Ka nna gala, ka nna eko. Akwa nwa mgbe ọ kwesịrị. Onye agba n'ọsọ. Ije, nekwu ya. Onye agba n'ọsọ n'olu enu n'omume. Onye agba n'ọsọ nu. Hajajaja. Onye agba n'ọsọ n'olu enu n'omume. Onye agba n'ọsọ nu. Hey! Today of all day. You see my hand here? Today is the day. Mbo kwesịrị power. Mbo kwesịrị power. If I name daludu. Oh, thank you for coming over here. Oh, thank you for coming. Hey, Ije. Onya gba n'ọsọ nu. Ije. Onya gba n'ọsọ n'olu enu n'omume nu. Onya gba n'ọsọ nu. Neseli. Nsetezie the enemies and the dealers. Ije. Mologe molo nwa e. Onye mologe molo nwa e. Hey! Kana gala. Onye mologe molo nwa e. Ije! Hey! Tako ya menama. Onye ji bo rally to ozugbo. Mgbe kwesịrị power. Akwa nwa power. I'm finished, Mama. Okay. No, I'm finished. What happened? Mama, I'm finished. Mama, look at me, man. No FM. Look at my dress. Mama, today is ruined. Hey. Don't say that again. Don't use such a word today. Today of all days. No, don't. Mama, you know I'm a gentle person. You know I'm very quiet. I was just walking gently on my own. Make a catwalk. Practicing how I'm going to present my face to Harry. And the next thing, one unknown driver, unknown human being that I've not seen before in my life, just drove from nowhere in a bid to dodge the car. And I fell down. Then FM. Hi, look at my dress. A dress I kept since 1960. Since 1960 to wear to Harry's house. This is how this boy just ruined everything for me. Mama, they ruined everything for me. He cannot ruin your life. Rather, he's the one that his life has been ruined. Calm down. Put yourself together. Sing calm down. Calm down. Okay. I'm your mother. I'm coming. All hope is not lost. Listen, I've paid for the driver and the truck that will take me all around the village. Yes, because I want the whole village to know that today is a special day in Okeke's family. Now listen, anyone who does not support me in the upcoming women's election, today is our day. And no one can stop our shine. Do me a favor. Biko, bolu me kwensike. Nice one. Hey, Ibogo. One more time. Nonsense. They want to make my daughter to cry. Today of all day. One or drop possible. Mama. Today's bread. Hey! My tinene no. My tapu tapas. Nemo. Let's go and change. Freshen up and you go back. All hope is not lost. Oh? Akwamo. I need to change everything. Akwamo. Onyagba no so. Ije. Onyagba no so no lu enu no mume. Onyagba no so. Mama. It's okay. That driver, he will die untimely. Amen. His generation will rust. Amen. In fact, he will rot in an abyss. He say. Don't worry, let's go. Hey! You're forgetting the guests. The guests. No, you need to. Come on. Have you greeted them? I greeted them. I was rehearsing when you came. Hey! But it's okay. I can change when I will not waste time. That's much. You just wanted to spoil it. He cannot.
Like mother, like daughter, full of threats and violence. Envy, hatred, desperate for money. Uchu no the choir to avoid losing completely. God will not be man, no, either man be God.
chiyane buyaga yangu unafugo uche chukwu n'ụwa geme unafugo onye chiyane buyaga yangu unafugo ife chukwu kwuru geme. Unafugo onye chiyane buyaga yangu unafugo uche chukwu n'ụwa geme unafugo n'ụwa onye chiyane buyaga yangu ife chukwu kwuru geme. Destiny.
Then why you know? Is anybody in the house? Is anybody home? Can you know now? Is anybody home?
Thank you.
So, my brother left. Gone on a journey. Sure you're okay?
Of course I'm fine. But I'm sorry to ask. Did you say your brother went on a journey? I mean, like he traveled?
Oh yeah, he traveled. He left this morning. Not quite long, I presume.
Sorry. I don't want it to seem like I'm prying. I'm only just concerned. You know, your brother, when is he returning? In 5 minutes? 10? 15? 20? Is he coming back today?
Well, from the message he dropped, I don't think he's coming back anytime soon.
What?
It might take him weeks, months, depends. But don't worry. When my brother returns, I will let him know that one of his numerous fans dropped by. Oh yeah, lest I forget. I want to thank you once again for your tremendous help that very first day we met. I mean, do not hesitate to give me a call anytime you want to drop by. You are family now. Come on, drink up. Alright, drink up.
I'm sorry. I know I shouldn't be asking, but you mean your brother traveled and you're not sure of when he's coming back?
Oh, I doubt if he is. You probably would have met him if you had come a bit earlier than this. But don't worry. Like I told you, when my brother returns, I will let him know that one of his numerous fans dropped by to see him. Or should I say one of his secret admirers? You know, my brother has a lot of women, like thousands of women flocking around him. I just pray he makes the right choice. I'll probably return home with the one he wants to make his wife. Time is no longer on his side. Don't you think so?
Are you okay? Are you hurt? No. Fine.
please.
No, I'm fine. Stand up. No.
Oh, my precious child. Oh. Oh, my humble child. Oh, my humble child. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. Just look to the sky. Make a wish. Oh. And the Lord of the universe will bring it to you as you wish. Just say a prayer, yeah, as you go into the world, and the rest of the universe will come around into you, oh, to you. 'Cause you are a star, yeah. You are the rising sun, and you are the moon. So don't be afraid, my child, my precious child. Oh, my precious child. Oh, it's gonna be alright, alright, my humble child. Oh, my humble child. It's gonna be alright. Oh.
Thank God you're awake. And you're able to sit on your own. I was really scared. Scared something bad could happen to you. It was with my life savings, everything I ever worked for, that I used to take you both to the hospital. I mean, you and the other person. Every other person that helped me rescue you from the accident scene left as soon as we got to the hospital. Luckily, you both came out alive. There was no means of communicating any of your relatives. The nurse advised that you needed enough rest. Hence, I brought you home. But then, from the hospital, you kept sleeping and waking up before we even got here. Tell me, who are you? Where were you headed before the ugly incident happened? Say your family, siblings, parents, anybody I could talk to. Okay, I'm really sorry if I'm bothering you. Okay, I think I know what to do. I'll look for someone that has a camera phone, then we'll take a picture of you. Maybe I could use that to trace your family.
No.
No? You don't want your family contacted?
There is none.
None? How?
What will be, will be. What will be, will be. Oh, although it might take long, but destiny knows the lie. Destiny has a voice. It speaks so loud and clear. So onye nwere uche ka ghọta the movements of destiny. Come what may, ihe Chukwu kwuru ga-emerịrị. What will be, will be. What will be, will be. No one can stop destiny. What will be, will be. No one can ever challenge God. What will be, will be. Whatever He says must stand. What will be, will be. What will be, will be. What will be, will be. Adịghị amara Chizu, onye ọ chọrọ imeze ka ọ ga-emerịrị. All you need is patience.
Tell me, what would a man do when everything he has ever worked in life has fallen and crumbled to zero? No family, no friends, no siblings, no relatives, just me. Tell me, what would a man do when everyone has abandoned him to fate? Everything falling apart. And then this man became confused, tired of life, embarking on a journey. A journey to seek for a new beginning. A new beginning that might not come to pass. Tell me, where lies the hopes of this man in this part of our world? Where?
I am sorry. I am sorry if I brought back ugly old memories. It was never my intention. How cruel could life be? Men treating their fellow men as if they were their God, who decides their fate in life. I have been a victim of pains and sorrows. Raped at a tender age by an unknown. Then I had my son, Ofu, and my world came shattering. Everyone around me tagged me wayward. I was mocked, discriminated, and rejected by my peers. No one believes anything good can come out of me. In their words, they say, Kemdiri's future is dead. If not for my grandmother, who has always been by my side with her words of encouragement. I want you to know that this is not the end of the road for you. You still have a brighter future. A man who falls today will live to rise again. Family, friends, relatives have rejected you today because you have nothing. But then, that was in the night. For when the morning sun comes, it will come with joy everlasting. And the villagers have conspired and threw you out because you have nothing. They have turned your poor mother's mind against you because they felt they have the powers. But then, that was yesterday. And here we are today. And tomorrow is yet pregnant with the unknown. Don't you ever give up. All you need to do is keep pushing and have an open mind, for someday the sun will shine on you again and you will rise up again.
What will be, will be. What will be, will be. Oh, although it might take long, but destiny knows the lie. Destiny has a voice. It speaks so loud and clear. Check out the movements of destiny. Come what's may, what will be, will be. What will be, will be. destiny.
What will be will be.
No one can ever challenge God.
What will be will be.
Whatever He says must stand.
What will be will be.
What?
Okoli, you didn't go again. Okoli, are you okay? About the accident scene. We give God all the glory that nothing happened to you, my sister. I ran to their aid, and by the time I turned, I didn't see you again. My sister, I was there and I saw it how it happened. Do you know it was you the car was trying to dodge before they had that accident that almost claimed their lives? I mean, the two of them. Though you were upset, I was expecting that you'd be the first person to run to their aid, at least to save them from the hands of death. Anyways, not to worry. You still have the privilege to render that act of love because one of them is here at our backyard. Yes, they both survived, two of them. I had to take them to the hospital. But the one here, his condition is better than the other one. And his continuous stay in the hospital is making him more sick. And I don't have enough money to cater for the two of them. Neither could I get any information from him. So I decided to bring him here. My sister, please, I just need you to do one thing for me. Just stay with him. Talk with him, play with him. Laugh, just do something. Just be with him. Just keep him company. Maybe your company will make him well and get well soon and get back on his feet again. Go on him. While I hurry back to the hospital to look after the other person. I already told him about you, how nice you are and such a good companion you are. Because you will do it for me,
Okay. Why did it take you so long to open the door? I've been knocking.
I was sleeping.
Okay. Do you know how long I stood there? You were... Why is your room smelling man?
Man?
It's a man.
No, it's not.
Okay, this room is smelling okay. He goat. Do you have a he goat in this room?
No.
Okay, it's coming from this way. Nothing is...